My name is Kristina.
Hi, my name is Michaela.
We are from the Czech Republic.
Now we are on the playground. This is our school, and now we will show you how to play a game. John, wake up.
Let's play a game. You need 3 and more players, boys or girls. Choose one of them, the chief. He or she stands up before the others. The distance among them is about 10 meters. You are the chief.
Hello, I am the chief and I will show you the rules from this game. Now let's show us the steps. Boys and girls, 2 hand steps. Okay, 1 bear step. 1 monkey step. Okay, 1 frog step. Okay, 6 crab steps. 1 ant step. 1 stork step. Watch falls down to the toilet. Okay. Then up. And the grandmother knits. Stop. 4 crab steps. Okay, let's play the game. John, wake up.
What's the time?
1 hand step. John, wake up.
What's the time?
2 frog steps. John, wake up.
What's the time?
1 crab step. John, wake up.
What's the time?
1 crab step. John, wake up.
What's the time?
The watches falls down to the toilet. John, wake up.
What's the time?
1 bear step. John, wake up.
What's the time?
1 monkey step. John, wake up.
What's the time?
1 ant step. Okay, that's it. Have a nice time and play our game. Bye bye.